Okay. All right. Hello. This is Keith from Kinvert. This is the 6th video of using OpenAI's ChatGPT to solve Fashion-MNIST. Now, I already solved that in like 1 through 4. We got up to a 92% accuracy, I think, in part 4 with ResNet made with TensorFlow's functional API. Number 5 was making a confusion matrix. So here's number 6. Now in the old ones, this is what it was making, and it would show the text as green or red according to whether or not we guessed it correctly. What I wanted it to do this time was make the image red or green depending on if we predicted properly. And so now that I've shown you the results, I'll show you how I did it. So here's the code that did it, and you can see that down in the description. I'll have a link to the GitHub for this whole thing. Here was its previous guess that it was trying, and this is when I finally kind of gave up and corrected it. And so you can see that it was yellow for some reason, and it made the whole image red. Okay, I didn't notice there's kind of a pattern there, but anyway, it made, you know, this kind of whole thing yellow and then this red, and it's not even showing the image. So so finally, you know, I'd been going at it for quite a while, and so I finally gave it this question, which was pretty direct, telling it how to fix it, and then I can copy this code back, and then it finally got this result. So now what I can do is go back and show you the full chat history of how I got from this to this. Okay. So we'll go to the top, and basically what I started with doing is telling it what each cell of the code was, and this is code that it had already written, but it's not going to remember it because this is a new session. And you could pause at any time if you want to read anything in depth, but I'm literally just telling it what each cell is. And then I get down to the 7th, I get done with it all. There's like 10 cells or 9 or, okay, 9 cells. And then I ask it to repeat to me the 7th cell, because that's what I know that I'm going to be doing. So I just copied that, and I can just paste it in here, and you'll see that this should be the old result. And so now I can just undo that. And so it was able to recite back what the correct code is. And from there I started telling it what I want, except I want it green if red, and green if correct, and red if wrong. And so it started doing things like this one, for example. You can see it's going to become a 2-channel image, and so is this, and so it ends up failing because it's a 28 by 28 by 2. And so I just kept fighting with it, and it kept giving me usually bad shaped, and it'd give me like the whole code. So that's part of why I changed the format of the video, is you guys end up seeing me fight the thing for like 30 or 45 minutes. And it doesn't make much sense to keep doing it that way. I've seen kind of what YouTube says, and people drop off before the 30 minutes is up, so there's no point in making it so long and drawn out when really all we're doing is waiting for this to respond. So here we are at the end. This is the code that worked, and then yeah, that's what's in here, and it works. So this is the result. Let me know which format you guys prefer. This is probably easier for me because I got a family, and to record like a whole half hour without being able to edit anything is tough. Like I used to edit videos when I was running my business back before 2020, and you know, I had Kinvert and I was editing videos and all that. But now, you know, I've got a kid, I've got a job, and it's a little harder to find the time to actually edit. So let me know what you guys prefer. Let me know if this format works for you, because this will be like a 5-minute video instead of a 45-minute video like it would have taken, and most of that's just frustrating, and you know, telling it that it didn't finish in the wrong tab, telling it didn't finish the code or whatever. And so let me know what you think of this new format. Let me know if you have any other things. I'm looking for more coding challenges to do with just copying and pasting from OpenAI's ChatGPT. So that's the result. I like it. Probably going to keep making more videos. I don't know what the next one will be, but stay tuned in, and we'll have something for you. All right. See you guys later. Bye.